It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. Winter snow.
Cheers!
On a holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
Thank you to our host, Your pleasure is also our pleasure.
Everyone's gathering around the fire. Chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the street, Santa's coming tonight. Reindeer's flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
Shawty with you,
Shawty with you. Under the mistletoe, yeah.
shawty with you.
Shawty with you.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed that.
So, now, saan na kasal ka? Kailangan ka talaga partner. Hindi, yung partner dito ng laban. Dala kami ko na dito.
Me too, miracle, hey love. Don't you buy me nothing, 'cause I am feeling one thing. Your lips on my lips, that's a merry, merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
Small gifts. Let's do the small gifts.
Ikaw kaya, ikaw ano eh, host eh. Ito ako.
Very difficult date tonight. But first, I'd like to call my special guest.
Live show! Live show!
Okay,
Okay, get your small gifts. And then, let's form a circle. Lagyan.
May nalagyan ako again?
Nalagyan na bro, nalagyan na.
Hindi para dagdag sa kayo. Dapat nakakanga ka pa.
Nalagyan music.
Paniwapin na lang. Ay, ko ka.
Bilang sex bomb, sex bomb.
Paniwapin na lang. Ay, ko ka. It's giving Mario. It's giving Everland.
Sayaw mga igurot!
Sabihin natin, pangbaan ng fiesta. Hoy, ano ha? 1, 2, 3. Ano to? Dito? Oh my God! Ang dami! Kaya na mag-isip ng mga tayo. Ay, ko! Ay, ka naman! Come dito! Tara! Ay! Oh my God! Okay, hello? iPhone 17 Pro Max!
Movie. 2 words. First word. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. You're second word. Second word. Dinosaur. First word.
First word. Timer.
Starts now.
2 words. Song. First word. Sky. Blue skies. Outside. Outdoor. Outside. No. Second word. Sleep. Fever. Fever dream. Fever. World dream. Fever.
Rainbow fever.
Sleep.
Night fever.
Night fever. Ano yung movie ba yan? Song ba yun?
Okay. Ready, go. 2 words. First word.
Movie.
First word. Moon. Sky. Sea.
Fever.
Sky.
Moon. World. Galaxy.
How many syllables?
Sun.
One syllable. Sky.
Rainbow.
Sky.
The world.
Second word.
Ano ba? Jive. Music. Pop.
Dance.
Dance. Ano yan? Sounds like. Sounds like dance. Pop.
Ano dance?
Ah.
Moon River.
Basketball. Yung ano? Jump. Squeeze jump.
Ready, set, go.
2 words. Song. First word.
Patay.
Small. Below. Under. Second word.
Patay na.
Underwhelming. Underwater. Under.
Patay.
Under.
Ready, set, go.
3 words. English. Movie.
Galatic 3.
Kung Panda.
Set, go.
2 words. English. Song. What will disrupt you?
First word.
Chop lady. Second syllable.
Triangle.
House.
House.
First syllable. Jailhouse. Jailhouse. Ano second word?
Song.
Jailhouse.
Jailhouse crumble.
Jailhouse rock. Yeah. Jailhouse rock.
3 words. Movie.
First word. Run. Running. Sprint. Third word. Angry.
Momo.
Love, angry.
Maze Runner.
Love.
Road Runner. Race. Fast and the Furious. Fast and the Furious.
1, 2, 3, go.
English. 3 words. First word.
Third word.
Plants.
Rock.
First word.
House.
Shape.
Ano ba?
School teacher.
School rock.
Second song. 1, 2, 3, start. 2 words. Movie. First word. You. Ani. Gay. Borat. Gay. Second word. 2 syllables. First syllable. Blind.
Bright.
Second syllable. Bright side. Mr. Bright side. Beer.
Smell?
Smell the flowers.
Song? First word.
Fourth word.
Zombie.
Smell the
Dead.
that freeze.
Walking.
Smell the air.
Third word.
Malalapas. Outside.
Sounds like 5.
5.
Number count.
Fingers.
Finger.
10.
10.
Smell the...
Smell.
Oh my God!
Smell it. Kaya mula.
Yay!
Wow!
Love! Napilang ka sa Disney bayad ko pa yan. Message na lang.
Oh my God! I'm spinning. Lucian!
Candle.
Ano ba na?
Bye.
Ano natin?
Reggie! Ayan na! Ay, kabutot yan. Yeah! One Piece?
One Piece!
Ken!
Para cheese. Para cheese. Wow! Ano na yan?
Irene! Ano yan? Sorry nung sa si Angelo! Parang po yung isang teenager ka. Si Aka!
That's so secret.
Sky Mike! Yay!
Alam niyo sa
From Darren and Lauren and Calix, of course.
Yeah!
Calix! Mike! Mel's and Ken! Harry! Isa lang kasi siya eh. Ayoko. Alice. Sky. kay Akay Jello.
Yun yung mga class. Yun yung mga
Oh my God, that's
Uy, salamat. Uy, no problem.
ano lang bro? Tar and Tar. Yay! Thank you.
Ano?
Puta na po sa wait.
Order mo na.
Meron na ba?
Parating talaga. Oh my God, mo.
Kaya nga namin pinag-usapan sa isang podcast. Tama-tama ko din.
Oh my God.
Pinaka-sis. Pati yung solo. Ay, kabila bakla. Ay, sa'yo kabila. Nakakainis.
Yung gift yun.
Hindi mo.
Kabarding mo na yung gagi.
Ay, hindi siya yan. Bakit ang sarap niya? Parang feel mo sa kumuport.
Quiet on the set.
I am thankful for being able to bring my family here in the UK.
Yay!
For wonderful friends. Strength and courage personally and professionally. And having a new hobby thanks to Reg Pickleball.
Yay!
Thank you.
Tusok mo kay Reggie dapat.
Pa.
There.
Okay. Thank you, 2025. This year, I married the love of my life. I got promoted and gained friendships that are built to last. Thank you for the love of family and friends. I wish good health for all my loved ones.
Yay!
Hi everyone.
Ay, wow! Ano ba?
So, hi. For me, I'm thankful for first the new sport of pickleball, and then thank you for second one, deeper friendships,
Wow.
because now I got to spend more time with the family and friends now. So that's
Ang dami
good.
mong basher dito.
And then for finding the perfect wife.
Sabi din, wala.
Sa huli ka pala.
Reverse order ako. And that's it.
Yay! Hindi na-record.
Ba't lang?
Hindi na rin.
Okay, this year I'm thankful for
Sure, kayo.
new friends and old, but deeper.
Wow.
Also, nagamit. And also for picking up a couple of new sports, tennis and pickleball, and be actually good at it.
May halong yabang.
I'm also thankful for new places traveled with Ken. Of course.
Paano ulit dila?
And having attended Ian Regis and having witnessed Ian Regis wedding.
Okay, for this year, I'm thankful for another year of stay here in London. And for more years to come. I'm thankful for a healthy and happy year, and of course for all the blessings and shopping this year. Thank you, of course, to my partner, Calix, of course, for staying with me.
Ba't few seconds lang ako?
Hindi, of course, thank you to Lar. And we're thankful for another opportunity again for both of us. Thank you, and for the friendship.
Thankful for my partner Darren na malumaya. Soy! For being my my rock and bottom.
Ay, alam na.
From my being my rock for my hardest times. Friendship and family, UK Kada. Thank you very much. Hindi na kailangan pahabain. Alam niyo, mahal ko kayo. And thankful for giving myself. Gusto niyo? Thank you for the healing. And thank you for learning how to let go and being fearless. Yes! Perfect.
Sa akin lang, it's very simple. So first is, I'm really thankful for the friends that I've found this year, and I get to spend the time with you guys. You guys have been one of my support.
Yes!
Especially when I feel down, I can talk to you guys, and that's very good. And then running as well. So running, good thing that I found it this year. It's my, if I'm stressed, that's where I vent out. And then obviously lastly is Aka. So I'm really thankful.
Bembang ka to dahil.
Joke lang. Ano ba sabi ko?
Bless me,
Well,
Father, for I have seen.
it's no secret that it's been a tough year for me, and I'm sure we all have our own struggles. But I'm just thankful that I'm in a better headspace, mental state, with the support of family and amazing friends and partners. And then after searching and searching, at least I have a new role that I'm thankful for. It might not be a dream job, but at least it's something, to keep me going. We renovated our house in the Philippines, so that's a big feat. And pickleball. So, learn and enjoy the new sport as well.
I'm thankful for Jello. He has been my literal rock.
Lagi kasi matigas.
Hard rock.
Sorry.
Yun nga, kasi ang tigas mo. Anyway, yeah. Literal rock and fortress this year. Also, I am thankful for this friend group. You have no idea how the random gala and kalad-karen lakads have saved me and Jello.
Naku, kailangan may
Parang
takyan.
dapat
Pressure! Ang ikli pa man, isang sentence lang. Thank you!
No, I wrote, I am thankful for TikTok. Love you! Because TikTok saved my life. No, kasi syempre, it helps connect with friends. Syempre, when I send TikToks to my friends to show everyone, it shows that I thought of you. But yeah, it saved my life. I'll send it to you later.
Ito na yung ABS mga cameraman.
Pagkay. Jim Sander. River Island. Gucci. Chencha. Mosimo. Okay. Don't be alien. Tommy Hilfiger. Hilfiger.
Groceries.
Ano yun? Anong meaning ah? Grocery stores? Ay, paano binibili mo? Tindahan. Grocery stores.
Tesco.
No,
Pure gold.
Sainsbury's.
Naku, hindi ko muna nag-grocery. Uy, lagi ko yung punta dyan.
Lidl.
Walmart.
Pakain na. Good. Wala yan. Wala yan.
Sakto lang.
Ano pong iba?
Morrison!
Morrison.
Target!
Pero baka ako na lang.
Dami na.
Ang dami ideas ni Dari.
Okay, akala ko.
Sige, mamaya.
White ka.
Body lang sa amin, close it.
Patigil ka na.
Oo, ito is scam. Budget.
Sabi mo alam, di ba mo alam?
Hindi ka namin ito.
Hindi nyo rin alam ito.
Evidence, ganun.
M&A's?
Alright.
Wala matigil ka na.
Nisa.
Parang hindi ko alam kung minamuli mo. That's it. Diba? Hinakap ka na. Mahirap ka na. Sorry. Sabi mo lang yung wait bro. Hindi. Sabi mo, lagi kayong nandyan. Mukhang mga liga lang to.
Mike, grabe ka.
Hindi ko si Mike sabi niya.
Sorry Sinabi, nasagot ko leader.
Kasi na namin picture. Name of athletes. Patay ka na.
Wait, wait.
James Young. LeBron James. First Lenka. Tiger Woods. Ayun, sabihin sana.
Ruthless Red. Parang yung ginagawa ko
Wala.
Yung idol mo.
Nadala.
Five-letter word. Pencil.
Pears.
Rose.
Paris.
Lemons. Hindu.
Lemons.
Lemon. Lemon.
Next. Name of villains or kontrabida.
Oh my
Oh, this
God.
was.
Wanda. Princess ko talaga.
Alright.
Powers.
Ano daw, sorry?
Just for university.
Go, babe. Ayan. Gusto niya, baby. Ikaw.
FEU.
Ba yan sa tawag din? PUP.
Saint Paul.
Ano ba yun?
Oh my God.
Harvard.
AUM.
Oxford.
King's College.
New England University.
Brown University.
Rizal University.
MIT.
Kasal.
Nasa leader niya.
Wisconsin University.
Ang dami na. Nasa leader niya.
West London.
Wala ka pala.
Great University. Alright.
Okay, Mike. Cleaning products.
Broom.
Product ba yun?
Ay, product.
That's an object.
That's an object.
So, sa amin.
Ano ba yung oras?
Weapons.
Words.
Jacket.
Gun.
Armalite.
Oh my God. Latigo. Chicken.
Rifle.
Pistol.
Bazooka.
Fan.
Knife.
Fan. Chipala.
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
Parang dami tatapos lang.
Baka naman Chinese drama rin.
Akala ko Mr. Fighter.
Wala kasi sa
Adjectives. Uy, mo sabi. May adjective. Ano yung adjective?
Describe. Lovely. Marami tayong pato.
Adjectives?
Yes.
Pretty.
Kala ko pa doon. Tantamang. Ay, generous.
Tantamang yun?
No, tantamang sino ka? Girl, tantamang.
Heavy.
Jealous.
Beautiful.
Pretty. Innocent.
Kala ko ba ano ka?
Numerous.
Smart.
Kaya ko ba? Smart.
Cheerful.
Riveting.
Objective.
Bawat maganyan. Graceful.
Impotent.
Minimalist. Thoughtful. Jolly. Delightful.
Amazing.
Omnipotent.
Fearful.
Lavish.
Superficial.
Superficial.
Prosperous. Cheerful.
Now we mentioned
Ay, Wise. Meron pa natin sasabihin.
Happy.
Happyful. Happy place.
I know.
Happy.
Ito na ako muna. Ano naman yung tira?
CN.
Pero pa.
Cheeky.
Neglected.
Bigyan mo lang ng butas.
Straight.
Naive.
Joyful. Respectful.
Pitiful.
Crazy.
Bashful.
Horny.
Fat.
Hindi natapos yun. Legal issues. 1 minute, pagka 1 minute tapos. Kung sino yung may iwan. Natapos yun.
Witty.
Intelligent. Malicious. Godly. Hindi natapos yan. Kung sino yung makakagdata ng 59 na.
Ano na?
Tantalizing.
Labingers.
Ang bata ba? Oo. Oo. 4:30.
Natapos yun.
Kasi yun.
Righteous. Bilisan nyo, 10 seconds ago. Fearful. Ano
So, yun sabi na yun. Meron pa, hindi mo tapos. Sabi na natin.
6 yung starting color natin.
Six.
So, sino yung babagsak kung 8 or 6?
Ano yan? Brown 9.
9. Okay, tapos 9 na blue.
Blue.
Blue or 9? Blue or 9?
Or 2 or 9. Got it! Stop ka, Armin. Ano ba? Ano ba?
Blue or 9?
Ano yan?
Zero.
Saan ka nilagay ko yan?
Blue or zero?
Or 0 or wala
Or 1 card? Or even
Or counting ang ayos ko. Blue.
9.
What's that?
Blue. Ano blue?
So, intro sa ayos ng 5. Saka si ano, si... Ano color? Green.
Oh, si
The chicken guys.
The three good guys. Kung 3 people ako, si Mike at si Jans. Ang sasali sa quest. 3, 2, 1, vote. Majority. So, result na.
Di ko sila pinag
So, ilang kami ba dalawang tinuro mo?
So, kami may success.
So we have two cards. We will take which one we...
Kailangan nila i-find maging successful yung
So if we're all good, yung isa dito ano? If someone fails,
Talaga kami na dalawang tinuro.
Kasi mga bata sa ilong, there is lying. Marilyn? Sino si Marilyn? Inuubo, lying.
Okay, tapos ngayon, na-reveal.
ikaw magal. Ako i-reveal. 39, ikaw na shuffle.
Ngayon, nakita mo. Ano yung mga size? Size.
Saan ka na?
Yung pinag-ano ko lahat, ano lang yun. Ito, mga
Lahat
to.
kami nandito.
Horror daw.
Oh my God, in love na in love na siya.
Sino yan? Sino yan? Tatay niya! Oh my God, na-stress ako ng bongga. Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Ninit ko lang actually. Hindi kaya masira. Stay ko pa kaya muna dito.
Turn right. Turn right. Straight pa, straight pa, straight pa. Ano? Back.
Walang back. Right.
Okay. Go straight. Turn left. Okay, up. Ay, right.
Siya, ba't siya pa parang si ano?
Labi pa siya eh.
Iniintog sa Pokemon. Magikarp pa lang yung ginagawa.